Hey guys, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we are making chicken keema. Everybody loves regular beef keema, but I tried chicken keema about 2 or 3 years ago and I fell in love with it. It is simple, it's awesome, and everybody in my house absolutely loves it. I'm gonna show you, it's a fast moving recipe, but it comes out amazing. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over the ingredients really quick, and don't worry, I'll have the entire recipe posted in the description box. We have salt, red chili, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. For meat, we have 5 pounds of chicken thigh keema, 3 medium onions chopped, 1 bunch cilantro chopped, and 5 plum tomatoes, obviously chopped. I have 4 green chilies, oil, and garlic ginger paste. Okay guys, all the ingredients are in. Now it's time to get the process rolling. So let's get started. In 2 cups of oil, I'm gonna add the onions. I'm gonna saute them really good. So this is about the color you want for the onions. Not too light and not too dark, just perfect. Now we're gonna add the meat. And saute it very gently, so make sure that there's no clumps. Just mix it in and loose it. So you just keep folding it in until the keema is almost brown. Then you add garlic ginger paste and then the rest of the ingredients. So you can see the keema is completely brown and it's all broken up. Now what I like to do is add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste and fold it in. And as soon as garlic ginger paste is mixed in, you'll know because you can just smell the awesomeness. And now we're gonna add the dry spices and then the tomatoes. I'm gonna start off with 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1.5 coriander, 1.5 red chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala, and 1 teaspoon turmeric. I'm gonna put the green chilies in. Now you just fold it in. Make sure everything gets mixed in really good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the tomatoes in and we're gonna let it cook down, dry the water, and separate the oil. I like to saute the keema for like 5 minutes till I see this oil separating. That means everything is married in to the keema really good. Now I'm gonna add the chopped tomatoes in, and you fold it in and let it cook down. We're gonna dry it completely. We're gonna separate the oil, and that's it. Keema is gonna be ready, and I can smell it. It's amazing. So you can see the oil is starting to separate. The tomatoes are almost broken down, but we're there but not quite. So make sure you keep folding it. You see the steam? This is all the excess water that's evaporating. So you need to get rid of all of this. It needs to be fully dry. And then we're ready to serve. So you see the oil is completely separated. This is exactly what you want. Now you see? Wow. This is my favorite part. When you saute it and you hear the sizzle. Keema is ready. It smells amazing. Now we're gonna add my favorite ingredient. We're gonna add cilantro. You're gonna fold it in because you have to cook cilantro down so it kind of marries in instead of sitting on top raw. You see this? It's cooking down. This is it guys, everything is cooked. The color, the smell, it is perfect. And I want you to see, look how clean the bottom is. That's because we turned everything on point, on time, and it came out perfect. Now we're gonna move on to my favorite part, plating. This is it guys, everything is ready. Keema is done and plated. It's nice and tight and the smell is amazing. And now when we come to plating, it's rustic, it's simple. We have a little deconstructed salad, lemon, little basmati rice, and naan. It's everything I love cooking. It's everything I love eating. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because it's simple and it is awesome and you are gonna love it every single time. So please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you guys next time, Basant style. All right, time to take it for a spin. I'll try the naan because I love naan. Yep, I love a lot of lemon. Wow. Oh my god. This is a... What's on slap?